One hand you hold after human immunodeficiency virus, or this is a acquired immunodeficiency virus. This is one of the stage of AIDS. After a few asymptomatic phase, you will get the stage of AIDS. Now coming introduction and morphology of the AIDS. This is a retrovirus group of RNA viruses. It possesses a unique enzyme called reverse transcriptase. Normal transcriptase was doing DNA to in process of transcription, RNA it was making, and then from in the process of translation it was converting into proteins. This is a transcription and translation. But this reverse transcriptase converts RNA to DNA and then helps in incorporating humans are having a double stranded DNA, but this is having single stranded 2 RNA. This 2 RNA forms a DNA, and then this will be integrated with the help of integrase into the human DNA. So this here reverse transcriptase enzyme is coming, and integrase enzyme, which integrates the viral DNA into the host DNA. Reverse transcriptase, which directly synthesis the DNA from the RNA after they infect the host cells. They belong to the family Retroviridae, which comprises of several genera, out of which there are 2 genera which contains the virus that are pathogenic to humans. They are lentivirus, and which contains human immunodeficiency virus, that is HIV 1 and 2, that belongs to lentivirus group, and delta retrovirus that contains human T cell lymphoma virus, that is HTLV virus. These are the only RNA virus. These 2 are the only RNA viruses. Human deficiency virus is a etiological agent of acquired immunodeficiency. So this is a etiological agent. That is causative agent is HIV, which causes AIDS. This is a disease, that is syndrome, which is caused by the causative agents HIV. This is the biggest threat of the mankind in the last 3 decades because it's causing more morbidity and mortality. So this is a biggest threat. Coming for the structure of HIV. This is our 2 single stranded RNA that I will be saying along with this only I will be showing. So for first we will come history and origin of the AIDS. The first case of AIDS was described from New York in 1981. This is not important if you need not to remember, just once I am reading, which was soon followed by the discovery and isolation of HIV-1 by the Pasteur Institute in the Paris, which was founded by the Louis Pasteur. HIV in humans was believed to be acquired from the chimpanzee by the cross specimen infection of the counterpart of HIV, that is Simon immunodeficiency virus. This is a histological part you need not to know. The structure, HIV and other lentovirus has unique structure that are spherical. You can see there is a spherical structure which measures about 80 to 110 nanometer in size. The diameter will be 80 to 110 nanometer. It has envelope. HIV is enveloped virus. The envelope is made up of lipid part. You can see the lipid part. This is the envelope. This is a lipid part of the envelope, and 2 proteins, that is G41 and G120. That is 160 is divided into 41 and 120. See the lipid part in the host cell membrane. This is derived from the host cell, the human host cell. It attacks the macrophages and all those T lymphocytes, CD4 cells. It attacks, and then it derives the lipid part. The virus derives the lipid from the cell membrane of the host cell. Then protein part, it has the 2 components, that is glycoprotein, that is glycoprotein 120. These are projected see, these 120s are projections, knob like projections from the surface. These the spikes on the surface. Glycoprotein 41, this forms anchor-ring is the bridge type thing. Transmembrane peduncle is like a stalk type is formed by 41, whereas this bulb like spikes, knob like spikes is formed by G120 is forming the spikes, whereas these are forming stalk is formed by G41. Then nucleocapsid. The capsid is icosahedral, that is like icosahedral shape. This somewhat like this icosahedral shape in symmetry. Then it is made up of core proteins inside, then and the dense